Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well today. My name is Michael Marcus and I am a first semester student of informatics engineering. In this video, I would like to share a little story about my daily activity. I hope you enjoy watching this video until the end. Every day, I usually wake up in the morning at 6 a.m. more a little. After I wake up, I take a shower and a glass of coffee. And I am an informatic engineering student, so I spend a lot of time studying algorithm and programming. I often use my laptop to practice coding, like I learning how to create a simple program such as a task reminder application. In my free time, I help my mother to clean the house, like sweeping the floor. I feel happy because I can help my family will enjoy my free time. In the morning, I focus on my class and studying in university, like study. And in the afternoon, I learning from dev C++, like coding and make some application like reminder of task. And in the evening, I do something repeat, like helping my mother clean the house, sweeping the floor, or something like that. About yesterday activity, yesterday I used something like follow studying in university at campus, and then last night I'm studying a little coding from what I learning from the university. And then last weekend I do something like some healing, traveling vacation on the mountain, like something like that. Just a little trip, a solo trip. And then about conclusion. So those are my daily activity using present tense and past tense. I hope this video can give you a simple picture of my daily life as an informatic engineering student. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a great day and see you next time. Thank you.